You see, this is just stuff surrounding it, and really the whole capacitor is just this.
And what do you think that is inside of it?
Foil wraps.
Foil and what else?
I forgot what it's called.
Dielectric material.
Yeah. Doing this with
which
my
insulates the foil.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Wow. Look at that. It's like...
It's the foil?
This is literally like what makes up what the capacitor does. Just that. Isn't that insane to think about? So, yeah, it was pretty satisfying to take this thing apart. So, bye. See you.